Corn for our Marion facility is primarily produced near the Marion, Indiana area. Corn in the U.S. Corn Belt is typically planted in the April to May timeframe, depending on spring conditions, moisture, and heat. Once that corn is planted and it emerges from the ground, it goes through a vegetative stage. That vegetative stage lasts up until the July timeframe when it enters the corn's reproductive stage. Now, the corn plant we're looking at here today is fully mature, but it'll produce this tassel at the top, which sheds pollen. The pollen that falls onto the silks essentially allows the plant to pull that pollen down and produce a kernel. And from that point, the cob and the ear and the kernels begin to grow and develop. At that time, the plant will start pulling all of its nutrients it's producing through its photosynthetic process and packing them into these kernels for their development. Once this plant is done producing corn, it starts to dry down. Once we pull back the husk, we can begin to examine overall corn quality. We split the ear open to get another look at the inside and the overall quality from a different picture. We can see more of that translucent portion. It is that translucent hard endosperm portion that is used in food products. Thank you for taking the time today as we've looked at the development of corn plants and what is important for quality. Reach out to Gray Millers for your corn product solutions.